Hey guys, I'm Abby and Lorianne is my dog. I think that's going to be my new intro because there's a lot of confusion around that name. But anyway, today I'm going to be making some fruit charms using the bezels I got from Miniature Sweet, and I had this idea for them and you saw it in the thumbnail. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm calling it like a color blocking technique. Not sure if I'm using that word correctly, if that's like what I'm thinking of and what it actually is, but anyway, I am starting with a lime here. I am making different shades of the same color, so I have different greens here. I tried to make some translucent, some opaque, and I also tried to give some of them a little bit of texture, so you're gonna see here I'm gonna be adding a little bit of glitter, and for the most part I wanted a shiny, sleek design, and I think I ended up accomplishing it. I think it would be cute to make this with, like a lemon, orange, and have like a whole series of them in different rainbow colors. But for today, we're just going to do the lime. Moving on to the cherry here, I did not know what color to make the cherry. I was like, should it be like an opaque red, a clear red? So in the end, I went with a pink and red, and I think it turned out okay. I've never really seen pink cherries. Like actual cherries, or maybe I have? I don't think so. Cherry blossoms are pink. Anyway, I really love this translucent pigment, the clear pigment. It looks like candy. Now, of course, I'm popping the air bubbles here because we want it to be perfect. And for the leaf, I decided to add some more glitter because I thought it should have a little bit of texture. And I'm not using the green below because I was a little bit lazy and I cured them. When I was curing the other pieces, I should have had my resin on a separate clear file, but I sometimes don't think ahead, actually all the time. But anyway, so I ended up wasting a little bit of resin, so tip to my future self, put your resin on a different surface. And now we're moving on to the yellows. So the pineapple and orange kind of ended up being the same-ish colors. For the banana, I wasn't sure if I should have a green banana, like, unripe to ripe, but I just ended up doing different yellows and oranges. I think it turned out pretty good. Adding a little bit of fine glitter here, and for the pineapple, now I didn't really plan this one out too well either, so the colors kind of, I don't think I have two of the same colors next to each other, but like the opaque and translucent kind of became a jumble. But it worked out. Anyway, for the last piece, I have a little kind of like a cocktail. And I decided I wanted it to be blue because I had a lot of warm tones going on here. And I don't know, I just felt like a tropical drink kind of fit in with the fruit theme. So this was the piece that kind of pulled it all together. I ended up making a gradient, and it's really hard to blend the clear pigments. So I made a transition color out of the two. It's not perfect, but it works. Giving it a final cure here. Here are all the pieces. They ended up super shiny. I did dome over them at the end with a clear resin. Didn't show that in the video, but that definitely gives it a more polished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another one very soon. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye!